That's what he's been brought to the club for, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Russian Saudi League era. Al Nassr's rivals have already won this weekend, so Al Bouchal and Abdoulaye Al Amri come into the back four with Mohamed Simakan and Ayman Yassagog is part of Cameroon's squad at AFCON, and Mohamed Abu Abd and Mohamed Al Khar, Saudi Arabia, led by Faisal Al Balawi. And he picked up the Al Nassr go for 10 in a row. And Al Abdoud looking to attack here with Burak. 9 games in a row was the Al Hilal team of 2019. But here's an early opportunity for Neri, and it's blocked, but the flag is then raised for offside. Well, there's, of course, who won the double on loan at Al Ittihad last season. That's comfortably cut out by Al Salem. This brief sight of goal here again for Al Abdoud, but again the flag is raised. It was Matteo Borrell, the Argentinian. Borrell was lurking, and the backheader from Inigo Martinez sends it behind for a corner, and maybe some early signs of ring rustiness from Al Nassr.
Let's see what
in front of Al Akidi. Brozovic was on the end of that. Borrell. It's the right sort of header. Good ball. Angelo just behind Ronaldo, but here is Coman stepping inside, and it's a good save. Portugal getting down really well to make the block. For Al Salem, and the cross deep towards Ronaldo, and he looks to the assistant, but this time the flag is not raised.
What a chance. What a glorious chance for Cristiano Ronaldo. It's a superb
football in either the Asian Champions League or Asian Champions League 2 next season.
Well, if you didn't know already, Brendan Rodgers, as an example for him how strong this league is becoming, that teams from the bottom come middle of the pitch and say, go on then, try and break us down. And it's up to Al Nassr to rotate the ball quickly, move the ball.
Shuri there, and he lets fly, but it's just wide.
He had one thing on his mind there, the big central defender, Al Amri. I think he wanted to get the shot off. They have to be patient. They're going to have to wait for that opportunity to open up.
They do average 21 shots a game. Well, it's offside anyway, doesn't matter.
That was almost a wonderful piece of skill from Cristiano Ronaldo. From that close.
Not to use it. Now Coman. Brozovic on the stretch. Coman was caught late, though. It will be a free kick, and this looks to be in a very good place. Rubai again. Angelo. Coman. Ronaldo, all a bit too tight though. Petros really need to have good games in the engine room for Al Abdoud tonight, and so far they are. Gets enough on the ball. Here is Brozovic, but Al Salem wins it back, and here is Neri now on the edge of the penalty area. Strikes it well, but too close to Al Akidi.
Another chance.
A huge amount of credit here, because they are defending in depth and with numbers, but so... Now Ronaldo. Brozovic. Abu Shal.
Very happy if the passages of play keep being diverted infield to where their midfield and defensive lines are.
João Felix. Spench. And again it's deep towards Ronaldo. High to the far post, and in the end it's gone behind, and Samuel, Portugal. In towards that near post, flicked on and in! And it's Ronaldo again! And it's no surprise at all. And in the quest for the perfect 10, it's Cristiano Ronaldo who comes up with the opening goal. And what a perfect set piece that was as well.
He's had his opportunities in this game, Cristiano Ronaldo, and he certainly wasn't going to...
Borrell, high towards Neri. Al-Akidi doing well to fist it clear, then he has to initially. Now João Felix looks to pick out Ronaldo again. He dives in and he's penalised. He took 2 out. 6th game against Denmark because they've already lost. Almost breaks kindly for Ronaldo this season. They continue to cause problems. Abushal with the miss kick. Now Angelo. The cutback is cleared away by Barral. Brozovic. Ronaldo waits in the centre, and there he is. Two for Ronaldo, and surely 10 wins in a row is now in the bag for Al Nassr. Another goal for Ronaldo, another record for Al Nassr.
You cannot keep giving that man chance after chance after chance, because he will punish you.
Really impressed. He works the 1-2 there, which almost produced. They've now conceded 20 goals this season, and they need to ensure that a 3rd goal. Coman hits the crossbar, a missed kick from Wesley, nearly falls for João Felix. Wesley misses his kick completely, and the referee has now stopped play.
Well, what a mess. What a mess that was. It all started off with the referee taking out Petros. There he is, the Brazilian Petros, talking to the referee. You watch in the middle of your picture. And looks
again, he's able to make the challenge, and he was closed down. The referee has stopped play.
Is he getting to that 1,000 goal?
I think he'll do everything he can.
I think he will.
There's that. Well, here's an opportunity for Kramer, and he's gone beyond Al-Akidi. That's a penalty. And Al-Akdi have an opportunity here, but then the automated offside. Which will tell us just how tight that was. And the low cross is eventually smothered by the... He makes that run into the near post, but the referee has to it. It's whipped in. Al-Rubai is able to clear. Al-Ghanam towards Ronaldo, and it's a good header away by Hausuit. Now Wesley there. Ronaldo. And then challenges come wiring in. The yellow card is shown. Abushal. Ronaldo was waiting. It's cleared as far as João Felix.
And then we've got a real serious conversation to put them in.
Wesley. Crossing from Al-Ghanam, and there's Ronaldo! And it's his first hat-trick since May of 2024 in the Russian Saudi League. His 7th for Al Nassr in the Russian Saudi League. And a moment of history for so many reasons.
With Cristiano Ronaldo, they'd be taking it from the far post. I think that's a very unfortunate offside action, and it's done its job. As much as those in yellow and Cristiano Ronaldo don't like it. I mean, see how he's adapted his game since João Felix has come. Very often, very Al Nassr will drop in at left back, where he's more familiar.
Breaking with Ashi, but Kingsley Coman coming back to do his defensive work. Can bulldoze his way through the challenges, but Al-Akdi stand firm. And Burak Kynjoh will take it. It's a good delivery. And Kramer. Abushal.
The 1-1 draw, and then following on from that, a long break coming into this with what's...
Salim and Abushal, I think they caught each other.
Good set from Coman. Coman's played well again this evening. Just leans back. Off another part of his body, I think, is the rule, isn't it? If it comes off another part of your body and hits your hand, it's deemed as accidental.
There, who was the meat in the sandwich.
Kramer.
Now Nasser continuing with 10 players for now.
3 points, it's another step closer to that title. Notice there they didn't put many men forward for the corner kick.
Back to João Felix! And that finishes things off. And that concludes a record-breaking night for Al Nassr. The perfect 10. The only team in Roshan Saudi League history to win their opening 10 games to a league season. And is their long wait for a league title